it shut. I hate it when you hiss and breathe about your new messiah, 'cause your theories catch fire. I can find your silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you reach your speech, it's tiring. Enough is enough. I'm covering my ears like a kid, 'cause when your words mean nothing, I go la la. I'm turning up the volume when you speak, 'cause if my heart can't spark it, I find a way to block it. I go la la la, I go la. If our love is running out of time, I won't count the hours. Rather be a coward when our words collide. I'm gonna drown you out before I lose my mind. I don't need no silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you